How do we know that any particular spending is in fact spending on energy efficiency? There are different ways of counting energy efficiency investment, and we must be careful to consider the definitions being used. In the construction of an energy efficient building, what portion of the cost can be considered as energy efficiency investment? To better understand the trends in investment, it's useful to track each of the following. First, the total spending on buildings construction and renovation, which includes the cost of all products and services used to build and retrofit buildings. Next, the total cost of the efficient building, that is, energy efficiency spending for the whole building. The cost of the efficient components, such as insulation or an efficient air conditioner, that is, energy efficiency spending by component. The difference between the cost of what would have been installed if the building weren't efficient and the cost of the efficient components, that is, the incremental cost. And the additional cost due to the fact that the building must meet government minimum standards of energy efficiency, that is, government-induced investment due to regulations and incentives or information programs. These are each useful to better understand how much spending can be influenced and what the efficiency spending actually is. Incremental investment is often used as the basis for understanding pure efficiency spending, accounting for only the spending on the efficient product or services, the upgrade case, above the cost of a non-efficient product or service, the baseline case, and can have different definitions. The incremental investment for new or renovated buildings is the change in cost for services, design, delivery, installation, and products, lighting, appliances, equipment, and materials, that achieve increased energy efficiency performance beyond the investment required for the minimum performance legally allowed. For building types and products that have legal requirements on the performance of buildings, building services, or building products, this cost is the incremental spending beyond that needed to achieve the minimum energy performance standards, energy efficiency regulations, or building energy codes. For building types and products that do not have energy requirements, this cost is the incremental spending on energy efficient services and products beyond what would have otherwise been spent, which in some cases would be nothing. For the incremental investment in buildings achieved due to the improvement in energy efficiency policies, this cost is the incremental spending required to achieve the new energy performance requirements beyond the previous level to which the market had already adapted.